we'll guide you through how to log into Dropbox using the latest methods and interface. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing in www.dropbox.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page and click on it. You'll be taken to the login page where you need to enter your email address associated with your Dropbox account. Type it in the designated field and then enter your password in the box below. It's important to ensure that you type your password carefully, as it is case sensitive. If you prefer, you can also choose to sign in using Google or Apple by clicking on the respective buttons, which can simplify the process if you use those accounts frequently. If you have two-step verification enabled, you'll be prompted to enter the verification code sent to your registered device. Check your phone or email for the code, enter it in the field provided, and click Verify. Once you've entered your credentials and any necessary verification, click on the Sign In button. You should now be logged into your Dropbox account and able to access your files and folders. Remember, if you ever forget your password, you can click the Forgot Password link on the login page, and Dropbox will guide you through the steps to reset it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.